Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut, constantly wondering where your money goes, or just plain stressed about your bank account, then you are in the right place. Seriously, I used to be exactly there. I thought managing money was simple. You work hard, you get paid, you spend carefully. But month after month, I'd still end up broke, stressed, and totally baffled. It was until I started uncovering these powerful money lessons. Lessons no one ever taught me in school, not at home, not anywhere, that everything started to click. Today, I'm thrilled to share the 10 money lessons that completely transformed my life. These aren't just theories. These are practical insights that took me from barely surviving to truly thriving. So, if you're ready to change your financial future, stick with me until the very end, because lesson number 10 is going to completely flip how you see money, forever. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Your mindset about money determines everything. This is where it all starts, guys. Before I learned a single thing about budgeting or saving, I had to completely overhaul how I thought about money. For years, I genuinely believed things like money is hard to get or that rich people are just lucky. Those deep-seated beliefs kept me absolutely stuck in the same old cycles. But then I started reading books, listening to podcasts, and learning from successful people, and a massive realization hit me. Wealthy people see money as a tool for freedom and opportunity, not something to fear or something inherently evil. The moment I stopped saying, I can't afford this, and started asking, how can I afford this? My entire mindset shifted. That tiny change opened up so many possibilities and eventually incredible opportunities. So remember, before you can change your bank account, you absolutely must change your mindset. Your beliefs create your reality. Lesson 2. Track every dollar you spend. Okay, this one was a massive wake-up call for me. I truly thought I was good with money until I started tracking every single expense for just 30 days. And let me tell you, the numbers did not lie. It wasn't the big bills that were sinking me. It was those small, sneaky purchases. Those daily coffee runs, the impulse snacks, the streaming subscriptions I totally forgot about. $5 here, $10 there. All of it added up to hundreds, sometimes even thousands, each month. Now I use a simple budgeting app. You can use Notion, Mint, YNAB. There are tons out there to log every penny. It's not about restriction, it's about pure awareness. When you know where your money is going, you regain control. So the lesson here is simple but profound. What gets measured gets managed. You literally cannot control what you don't track. Lesson 3. Pay yourself first. This was one of the biggest mindset flips I ever experienced. Before, my routine was always the same. Pay all my bills, then, if there was anything left over, I'd try to save. Spoiler alert, there was almost never anything left. Then I heard the revolutionary phrase, pay yourself first. It means treating your savings, your future self, as your most important bill every single month. I started small, just $20 a month, automatically transferred to a separate savings account. After a few months, I honestly didn't even miss the money, but the incredible part? My savings started to grow, consistently. That small, consistent habit built so much confidence and consistency within me. Remember, saving isn't about how much you earn. It's about making yourself, your future self, a priority. Lesson 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Oh, the temptation here is real. When I got my first big promotion, my initial thought was, I deserve to upgrade my life. So naturally, I got a nicer apartment, bought new clothes, and generally just started spending more. My paycheck was bigger, which was awesome, but my savings? Still sitting at zero. That, my friends, is called lifestyle inflation. When your expenses rise right along with your income. It feels incredibly rewarding in the moment, but it traps you in the exact same financial stress you were trying to escape. Now, every single time I get a raise, I consciously keep my lifestyle the same and immediately direct that extra money into savings or investments. That's how true wealth quietly and steadily grows. Don't let more money lead to more spending. Let it lead to more freedom. Lesson 5. Build an emergency fund. Before I had one, every single unexpected event, a cracked phone screen, a surprise medical bill, a car repair, felt like an absolute financial disaster. I'd frantically reach for credit cards or borrow money, just trying to stay afloat. Then I learned about the emergency fund, a financial safety net specifically designed to keep you out of debt when life inevitably throws you a curveball. I started small, aiming for just $1,000, then slowly built it up to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Now, when emergencies pop up, I'm calm. I don't panic. I just handle it. That, my friends, is the incredible power of preparation. An emergency fund doesn't just save you money. It turns potential chaos into complete control. Lesson 6. Learn to invest early. I honestly used to think investing was exclusively for rich people. Stocks, mutual funds, all that jargon just seemed so complicated and intimidating. But when I finally understood the magic of compound interest, everything clicked into place. Let me break it down simply. If you invest just $100 a month at an 8% annual return in 20 years, that's about $60,000 in 30 years. It's over $150,000. That right there is the magic of time and consistency. I started small with simple index funds and ETFs and focused relentlessly on consistency. Investing isn't gambling. It's quietly and steadily building true wealth over time. The lesson is clear. Don't wait to invest until you have more money. Invest so that you will have more money. Lesson 7. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. This lesson honestly hit me like a ton of bricks. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out. For years, I actually thought buying a brand new car was an investment. It wasn't. It was a massive expense, constantly draining my funds. But buying a laptop that helped me start a freelance side hustle, that was a powerful asset. When you start viewing every single purchase through this specific lens, your entire financial life transforms. You'll start asking yourself, will this make me richer or poorer in the long run? It's a game changer. So aim to buy assets and be very, very wary of liabilities disguised as upgrades. Lesson 8. Don't chase quick money. Oh, I can even count how many get-rich-quick traps I fell for in my early days. Everything from fleeting crypto hype to those side hustles promising $1,000 a day with minimal effort. Every single time, without fail, I ended up losing money or burning out completely. Then I had another profound realization. Real, sustainable wealth isn't built fast. It's built steadily, with patience and intention. The people who genuinely win financially aren't the ones chasing risky shortcuts. They're the ones who stay consistent, focused, and persistent. Now, I pour my energy into building long-term skills, developing steady income streams, and embracing patience. Remember, fast money fades, but consistent money compounds and grows. Lesson 9. Protect your money with knowledge. The more I learned about money, the more I realized how much I truly didn't know, and how much I needed to know. Things like understanding how credit scores actually work, how taxes affect your take-home pay, or even how to confidently negotiate bills. These aren't just tidbits of information. They are powerful skills that completely changed my financial outlook. Knowledge is your absolute best protection. Just one good financial book, one insightful podcast, or even a helpful YouTube channel can save you from countless costly mistakes down the road. The lesson here is paramount. Learn before you earn, and you will undoubtedly keep more of what you make. Lesson 10. Your circle shapes your financial future. This one, friends, is deep, and it took me a while to truly grasp its significance. When I was surrounded by people who were constantly living paycheck to paycheck, I felt immense pressure to spend the same way on trendy outings, the latest gadgets, whatever everyone else was doing. But then I consciously started seeking out and spending time with people who talked about saving, about building businesses, about smart investing, and guess what? My entire way of thinking began to shift. Your inner circle either drains your wallet and your energy, or it multiplies your mindset and possibilities. Choose your circle wisely, because it profoundly impacts your financial journey. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to level up, not just keep up. And there you have it, folks. Those are the 10 money lessons that absolutely transformed my financial life, and I genuinely believe they can change yours too. If this video resonated with you, if it gave you some clarity or a fresh perspective, please do me a huge favor. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more practical, actionable lessons on saving, investing, and truly building financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Remember, it's not always about how much you make. It's about how wisely you manage what you have. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.